All right, guys, December was an awesome month. Ho, 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 Santa Claus is coming in town, but more importantly, Century 21 Limitless has been rocking. Guys, I had an awesome month, helped a ton of buyers and a ton of sellers. We did a great job with helping investors get off of some of the projects they've had for a while. I think a lot of folks are happy, even though the market's come down a little bit on pricing, right? We're still able to help investors get top dollar. As far as buyers go, working with a lot of first-time home buyers, a lot of buyers who couldn't get properties with the Rhode Island Housing First-Time Home Buyer Program, they're now able to get it done. And I think this is an awesome piece of information for anyone looking forward. New Year's resolutions, guys, if you're looking to buy property, reach out to me as soon as you can, because now's the time. Your offers have a chance to get accepted, and not only that, you have the ability to do them with little to no money down. So I'm really excited. I help a ton of buyers, helped a ton of sellers. Century 21 Limitless is rocking and rolling. 260 agents, 10 offices throughout Rhode Island, Mass, and Connecticut. We're looking to add agents. We're looking to grow. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what January brings. Bring on 2023. Guys, thank you all for a great year.